Welcome back, user. Today I'm going to show you how to change the classes of the student if it was incorrectly filled during the previous academic year 22-23. School through the form S03 will be submitting the correct class of the student in the current academic year, and for that you need to make changes in the module. And this process has been given only for the block MIS user, which will be able to do any correction for the particular student in the class shifting. So here I'm going to log in with one of the block user ID for making this demonstration. Go to academic year 23-24, admin panel, then student shift class module. From this module you will be able to make the shifting between classes of the particular student. Here you have to find the schools if you need any shifting for a particular student. So I'm going to select one classes. Suppose I'm selecting class 2, then section A. So a list of students of this particular class will be displayed. Now, for example, if this particular student in class 2 section A was incorrectly promoted, actually the student was detained and it should be it student was not passed during the last promotion exam and was detained and continue in the same class. So you have to make the student, you have to shift the student to the class 1 again. For that you have to go to modify class, select option class 1, give this section A, then click update. So this process you will be able to shift the student to their correct particular classes wherever the student is in the current academic year. So this process is open for shifting of any classes from classes pre-primary to classes 12. And of course, for shifting of pre-primary student between the pre-primary classes up to class 1 is already enabled at the data entry option module at the school login itself. They can easily shift the student from the school dashboard itself. So until here, thank you. Kublai Shibon Mitela.